Alright.
Hello. Today I'm going to instruct you, my audience, how to make a BNC connector using coaxial cable. In my daily experience on the job, I make cables such as these and other cables. These cables are used to transmit data such as video data across networks or computer systems or other electrical equipment. First, let's go through the materials you will need to complete this. First, you'll need a crimper that can crimp the sheathing of the connector and the center conductor onto the die like this. You'll also need the connector, which contains the connector itself, the center conductor, it's a little gold piece, and the sheathing to cover up the cable. You also need a cable stripper, which is used to strip the cable so that you can connect the center conductor and place on the connector. You also need wire cutters to cut the cable and to pull off any coverings, and a little tweezer to adjust the cable stripper so that it cuts the cable at the proper depths. You also want a cable tester so that you can test the product when it's on and make sure it works correctly. First thing you need to do is you want to take the cable stripper and you'll have to adjust the 3 blades in there so it will cut at the correct depths. The first cut, the lowest one, you'll just want to cut off the black cable cover. The next cut, you will want to keep the wire braiding and the foil on, or cut the foil and the wire braiding off and keep the white dielectric in the center along with the center copper conductor. And then the last cut will cut everything but the center copper conductor. Next, you want to open your connector, which I already have right here. You'll take the gold conductor piece and place it over the copper. You'll then crimp it with your crimper using the small hole labeled .042 with your crimp die. Squeeze it all the way down and release. It'll then be on there and you can't pull it off. Then you will rotate the cable around to spread the foil and the braiding off of the dielectric. You will then take the connector itself, slide it over the gold conductor, and push it down until it stops. And you will want to put the sheathing on first, but since I have a short cable I can put it on the end. Slide it over the cable. And sometimes you have to cut the cable. Slide it up and cover it over the braiding and foil. Then you'll take the crimper, place it in the hole labeled .068, squeeze down. Sometimes you'll want to do it again to get the end of the sheathing so it doesn't flail out. And there you go, you'll have it. And then you'll want to test it. First you'll want to stick one side of the connector into the actual tester box. And then if I had another connector on this side, I would connect it to the terminating end. A red light will appear when you connect the terminating end, and that will show that you have connectivity, and then you press the test button and it should turn green if it's made correctly. And that will be all. Thank you.